Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it is so exciting. I'm very excited for you guys to see how I got this Jupiter Cancer Zodiac makeup look. So if you want to know how to get this, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off to prime my eyes with the Dior Forever Skin Corrector Concealer. Yeah, I'm very serious with my ASMR. So now I'm going to set my eyes with my translucent powder. And now time to go into the actual eye look. I am nervous. I'm going in with my Kat Von D. This is the Super Pomade Whiteout Paint Pot. I'm going to basically do like a cut crease. I have to be really careful with this. Time to match it on the other side. Oh, here we go. Okay, done with this paint pot for now. I think it's fine. And now I'm gonna go and set that with the white shade from this palette because I don't want the cream to move. So I need to set it with powder. Okay, done with the white for now. And now we're gonna move on to the colorful part, which I am super excited for. So now I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2 from Morphe. This is definitely gonna stain my eyes, so I'm gonna be scrubbing it off tonight. This is what it looks like. All right, so I think the first shade I'm gonna go in with, it's like a fiery eye look. So I think what I'm gonna do is go in with this yellow shade first and kind of focus it on like the inner corner of my eye. And you also kind of want to like build it up. Don't add too much at first. I guess go as you want with it. Just keep adding. Kind of want this to be like an ombre effect. And now I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna put this more centered on my eyes. And for the last color on the eyes, I'm gonna go in with this very bright reddish orangey shade. So now I'm moving on to the face before I do like the little Cancer Zodiac sign on my forehead because I want to do concealer first. So I'm going to go in with my Cetaphil Daily Oil Free. Oh my god, that's so attractive. That's great. Okay, I have stuff on my hand. But I'm going in with this to prime my face. And now I'm going in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum. Now I'm gonna set it. I wonder if I wanna, now don't think I'm going to use a bronzer actually after. I think I'm going to use an orange eyeshadow for the bronzer for more of a fiery look. I think now I'm gonna go onto the bronzer. I don't want to ruin my brush for this, so I'm gonna go in with like an eyeshadow brush, I think. See how this turns out. Oh, that looks terrible. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back in with the white that I used before, and I'm going to do some white liner on my waterline instead of black, just to make my eyes a little bit bigger, just the illusion of it. Now going in with this palette, and I'm taking these two blue shades. And the last product for this makeup look is this lip liner that I'm going to be using by Makeup Forever. And that is it for this Jupiter Cancer Zodiac makeup transformation. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I want to let you guys know, if you are a Cancer Zodiac, then this is going to be your year starting yesterday until next year, and I'm super excited for myself too. And if you decide to recreate this look, then tag me on all my socials, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, fANNE-atics.